I'm going to show you how to delete a comment that you make on X or slash Twitter. So let's go to our X account, and for this example, I'm just going to make a comment on this post here, and let's just type in "this would have been fun," and let's just hit send. So as you see, it was categorized as a reply. So what we can do is go back to our homepage. We can go back to our profile at the top left-hand corner here, and then go to our profile here. So from here, what you want to do is actually go over to where it says posts, replies, highlights, and so on and so forth, and you want to hit replies. This is going to show you all the comments that you specifically make on posts that you can kind of categorize and have in one spot. So we can scroll down, and as you see, this comment I just made, and we can go ahead and click on that comment, and then we can go ahead and hit the three dots at the top right hand corner, and then we can go ahead and hit delete post. And what that's going to do is basically delete your comment from there. And as you see, now the page is refreshed, that comment is gone. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to go ahead and